Consider this 60. Therefore, a equals to h upon tan 60, that is root 3. Therefore, h upon root 3. Tan 30 equals to what? H upon 10 plus a. What is a? We have just now found out h upon root 3. Okay, so solve it for h. Therefore, how to solve this? This is tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. And this right hand side becomes what? Root 3 into 10. 10 root 3 plus h. And this root 3 which is below goes up. So it becomes h root 3 upon h plus 10 root 3, right? Cross them. 10 root 3 plus h equals to h root 3 into root 3, right? H into 3, right? So take h on the other side. You get 3h minus h equals to 10 root 3. So 2h equals to 10 root 3. H equals to 5 root 3. Check what are the options in the exam. If they are given in terms of root 3 only, keep it as it is. If not, if they are given in terms of plain numbers or integers we call it, then it will be 5 into 1.732. This value of root 3 you must either remember or it will be given in the exam. But remember, values of root 3 and root 2, it must be by heart for you. Root 3 is 1.732, root 2 is 1.41. So multiply it. 8.660 meters is the height of the tower. That is what is required. And if they ask you for a, then what? Simple. Just h upon root 3. Put this 5 root 3 upon root 3. That is, it will be 5 then. Okay. So download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. Also, we have separate videos for them. Think behind those videos and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.